this session, we are going to discuss about some methods of natural vegetative propagation. That includes roots, aerial shoots, leaves and bulbils. Now, let's dive into the root. About root, we have already discussed in the previous session. Let's recall. In the root, I have given you the example of the sweet potato, or shisham is also an example of this. The sweet potato, we eat the root. So, the sweet potato develops adventitious buds over it. And if we take this sweet potato with adventitious buds and grow into the soil, then in some days after getting the favorable condition, the sweet potato will grow into a whole new plant of sweet potato. This is how we got a new plant from the roots. Next, we are going to discuss about the aerial stems. How many of you love sugarcane or seen sugarcane growing as a crop in the farms? I have seen them. So, what happens in them? That their aerial stem is used. Now, what is aerial stem? Stem which is growing above the ground. So, most of you have seen the sugarcane crops in the farms. If not, please go and have a visit. In the diagram, you can see here a stem of sugarcane. The stem consists of nodes with a bud, and between two nodes there is a internode. So, if we cut the part of the stem that consists of a node and bud and plant that particular stem in the soil, then after few days under the favorable conditions, this new stem will grow into a new sugarcane plant. Did you see that how a stem helped in growing a new sugarcane plant? So, this was all about the aerial stems. Now, we will discuss about the leaves. In the leaves, we can take example of the bryophyllum leaves. This bryophyllum plant that consists of leaves has several medicinal uses also. It is used in the treatment of vomiting, diarrhea, etc. Now, how it vegetatively propagate? You can see here the structure of a bryophyllum leaves. The bryophyllum leaves consist of buds at the margins. So, if somehow the bryophyllum leaves falls on the ground, then it develops adventitious roots, which develop into a new whole bryophyllum plant. Have you seen that how a leaf is grown into a new bryophyllum plant? Next, we are going to discuss about the bulbils. These bulbils can be seen in agave. Agave plant is a plant which has the wide leaves and narrow tips. And the sap of this agave plant is very sweet. And if this sugar is fermented, it is used in the production of tequila. It is used for the formation of different types of sweeteners. So, let's see how this propagate. In agave plant, the floral buds, they further transform into the solen structure, and these solen structures are known as bulbils. And when these bulbils falls on the ground, they germinate into a new agave plant. So, this is how these fleshy bulbils, they grow into a new agave plant. So, here we came at the end of this session. In this session, we have seen that how roots, aerial stems, leaves and bulbils help in the vegetative propagation of a new plant. In the future session, we are going to discuss about another two methods of natural vegetative propagation in plants. Till then, keep watching Tutor Ag.